Hi guys, come spend the whole day with us in BGC. This is actually our first time to stay in this area for one whole day, if you may call it one whole day. So we planned this for my birthday, for my daughter's birthday, and she turned 16 on May 8, kaya this day is for her, whatever she likes. I am trying to say yes to those things. And the first stop is Mitsukoshi Mall. We wanted to visit the area kasi nga they said it's full of like Japanese things and the food. So yun ang pinunta namin, the food. And of course, Nitori. We did not go around the I don't know what floor that is, the ground floor I guess. Kasi we were so hungry. We arrived 11 plus na. Wala namang traffic. It was a smooth commute going there. Kaso yun na nga, 11 na, so gutom na kami. And then we went straight to the fresh market. So I think it's a grocery store where you can also eat. We can also paluto, ganon. So my son is very excited because again, this is a new place for him. And we saw this free tasting booth of Meiji chocolates. The Japanese man was actually so nice. He handed us free chocolates na sobrang bitter, pero okay lang, masarap pa rin. Aside from the 3 chocolate variants na ibibigay nila sa'yo, he gave us like a spoon of those of that chocolate na ginagawa niya. So, yun, you just have to scan the QR code and then they'll give you 3 variants you can choose from. 3 variants for free and then you can choose kung ano yung gusto mo. So, yun, bumili kami ng 2 boxes for 169 each lang naman. Tapos, ayun na, there were so many food stands or restaurants, pero nag-try na lang kami dito sa loob. So you can personally see how they prepare the food. Ito yung they call it fresh section. May mga gulay na some I'm not familiar with, but the rest we just have it here in the Philippines. And ito sana gusto ko yung sweet potato, kaso walang available. Ayun nga, sumimasan lang. So yan, may mga fruits dito, berries, delicious ones, pero ito talaga they 1-3. So wala kaming budget dyan, next time na lang. So yan, mga fresh fruits na pwede mo lang kainin, ready to eat na, cut na for you. Ang dami nilang free tasting booths actually. So, for promotion na rin ng products and nag-try kami dyan ng mga ginger shots. Ang sarap. Ito naman yung mga sandwiches and mga salad options mo. Mga mochi. Yan, we did not buy this na kasi we're actually waiting for the other one. And this is the meat section. Pwede ka magpaluto dyan. There are also bento options, may mga burgers, marami actually. May mga binibenta din silang knives and mga scissors. Yan. So, my daughter saw the Wagyu cubes. She's a fan of Wagyu. I'm not just sure if this is 100% Wagyu, pero medyo pricey na rin siya. So, the bowl, we ordered like toppings, rice bowls. So, that's 440 for the 3 of us. And ito yung mga fresh seafood section. Yan, mga sashimi and sushi. Pero of course, ang alam lang natin is California maki. So, hindi na lang ako bumili. Baka hindi ko makain yung iba. Sayang lang yung food. Ayan, mga kuha na tamago, mga salmon. Yan, may unagi rin ako nakita. Tapos ito, mga raw talaga. And of course, yung pinunta namin, yung mga daifuku. Yan, hindi naman trinay yan. We only tried this one, yung strawberry. Ang sarap, sobra. Yung parang, gusto mo na talagang mag-Japan to try it lang. Joke. Pero since hindi kami makapag-Japan, yun na lang muna. Marami ding ibang desserts na pwede mong i-try. May dorayaki, shortcakes, mga pudding, ganyan. So, we got ourselves Caesar salad. Tapos ito hindi na nakapaghintay, kinain niya na yung dessert. So, she tried it and she said it's so good talaga. There's like a piece of strawberry on top. Manipis lang naman, pero once you bite, meron talaga siyang combination ng sweetness ng custard inside ng mochi, yung a little bit tangy or sourness nung strawberry. A little lang naman, matamis pa rin yung strawberry. Ayun. Ang sarap. Sarap talaga. Tapos ito na yung food namin. Yung serving niya, sobrang dami. Ang laki ng bowl na yun, no? Ayun, no? Tapos you get a generous amount of Wagyu cubes, around 6 pieces, and then marami ding toppings like the mushroom and the garlic. And then the sauce is not overwhelming. Hindi niya na-overpower yung rice. So, it's just the perfect amount of sauce. Ayan, after we ate, we went up to check again kung ano meron doon. Pero, we did not stay for a long time. My son saw a Nissan ramen. Like the, what do you call this? The, ano tawag dun? Instant noodles, kumuha siya ng sample. Ayun, ng free taste. And of course, Nitori, I've heard a lot of good reviews from my students about Nitori. They say if you want something that could easily fix your house problem, like home goods, like that, punta ka sa Nitori. If you're starting a family, your things or furniture would probably be from Nitori, like that. So it occupied the whole floor, pero masikip yung aisles for the mga dishes, mga dishware. Sana mas maluwag kasi nakakatakot parang pag nasanggi mo ka mabasag ganun. Pero it's okay. Medyo marami lang sigurong tao during that time, kaya parang feeling ko rubbing elbows na. Ito naman, yan, mga bowls and mugs nila. Ang gaganda ng quality. And, 89 pesos lang siya karamihan. So, I got 2 bowls. I have been wanting to buy bowls na rin talaga for the house. Pero 2 lang muna yung binili ko kasi hindi ko alam kung papalitan ko yung mga baso, ay mga gamit sa bahay. Itong dalawa naglalaro with the pillow. I also went there para makahanap ng magandang cushion para sa office chair. Kasi yung office chair ko wala. Mumurahin lang kaya parang hindi talaga siya comfortable po. So sa second floor, bumalik kami. Meron yung gachapon area. You pay 69 pesos for a token. Yung daughter ko nakakuha ng random pigeon. I think it's not from any anime. Pero maraming characters na from anime. But usually, you need 3 or 4 tokens for that. Ito namang isa, I don't know. But he really wanted this one. He got the white one. There's like tao inside. Like that. And here is the matcha toke. I just took a video kasi ang daming tao kumakain and waiting actually. Pero hindi kami mahilig sa matcha, so we passed na lang. We went out. We went to the Uptown Mall kasi hindi pa rin kami nakakapunta sa lugar na to. And I'm so glad na during this day, the weather was so good. It was not really that hot, mahangin, and maybe because of the buildings natatakpan yung araw, pero it was a very good day good weather during that time. My son wanted to rent these scooters or bike, pero you just need to scan the QR code and gamitin mo na. Pero I'm not sure if I can ride the bike na angkas siya. Tapos sabi ko mag-walk na lang kami. Ayan, nagpunta kami inside Uptown Mall and then we saw a cafe ng the healthy option. So, sabi ko, umupo na lang muna kami doon. Mag-rest kami. And then, perfect timing din kasi I was looking for vitamins and yung salt na nire-recommend ni Miss Kat Arambolo. Gusto ko i-try. Pero, 250 for a very small salt. Pero sige na lang. Para sa healthier body, healthier mind, char. Ayun, binili ko yon. Tapos, I got this muffin. A cafe mocha, I think. And then, JD had croissant. Tapos, si Jobo naman has most cookies. Tapos, ayan, we just walked around BGC or we just walked going to the high street. And, ang ganda lang dito, no? Parang sobrang upscale na talaga, mamahalin. Kailangan may pera ka. Gusto mo tumira dito. Pero I think perfect for foreigners kasi baba ka lang and then everything is like walking distance lang for you. It's very convenient. Kung freelancer ka or if you work in Google, very perfect din sa'yo kasi nga bababa ka lang, sobrang lapit lang. Ayun, pero for low income earners or middle income earners, hindi siya talaga maganda. What I mean, hindi siya akma sa kinikita natin. So, ayun, we're looking for benches sana para makapagpahinga, chill-chill lang, and people watch lang. So, on the way to Mitsukoshi Mall, nakita namin na parang nag-reroute yung isang street kasi may bazaar. So, we were looking for that bazaar area. Naglakad-lakad lang kami. This is around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. na. Ayan, ganyan lang yung init niya that time. Hindi siya sobrang init. Ayan, so ito yon. Ito yung section na may mga bazaar. Yung mga plants yung nandyan. Umupo lang kami sa isang shaded area na may bench and table. We also wanted to watch a movie. Kaso hindi naman namin bet yung mga palabas. So, wag na lang, nag-ikot-ikot na lang din kami. And ayan, yan yung sabi ko, yung may mga bazaar, yung may malaking screen na ganyan. Yan. There are so many choices ng food, kung ano-ano. Ito, yung parang onigiri, pero wala siyang nori. May something lang, there's like a stuff inside the rice. Tapos, marami ding arts and crafts. May nakita yung daughter ko na ear cuff. But, it was 1,300. I know, I understand na it's handcrafted, pero it's out of our budget. It's 1,300 for a clay ear cuff pala. Yun, so parang pass na lang muna kami. There are foods na hindi kami masyadong familiar. We wanted to try, pero we get distracted kasi nga meron namang bago. So, nakakalimutan na lang namin bumili. And then, my son spotted the parang dining area nila. May mga picnic mats. So, nag-reserve sana siya ng isa. Kaso, yun nga, sabi ko, it would be hard for me to stand up. Baka pagtawanan lang nila ako, makita nila ako struggling, yung mami mo tumayo. Sabi ko, wag na. Umikot pa rin kami. And then, I saw like yung parang fried siopaw ata yun. Parang ganun. Parang fried siopaw siya. Pero, again, nakalimutan ko na naman kasi nakita ko na naman yung cute na katabi. So, hindi ko naman siya nabili. So, naglakad na lang kami. And, ayan, marami nga siya mga arts and crafts. And, ito, ang galing nito kasi parang recycled material siya. And, nagawa niya mga lamps. Yan. Tapos, ito, mga slippers, mga accessories. Madaming mga options. Yan. Tapos, we are trying to figure out where to go next. Kasi, especially for a dinner. Pero, wala eh. Gusto nila ng fast food na lang. Again, either Jollibee, McDonald's, or KFC. Yun lang talaga mga pagpipilian nila. So, we went na lang to SM Ora. And, ito is a restaurant of my friends and sisters, si Grace. I think it's pronounced as Juices. Yan. So, ikakain sana kami dyan kasi balita ko masarap yung drinks lalo. Pero, the budget is not allowing it. Char, hindi. Pwede naman. Kaso daming tao. So, sabi nila, punta na lang daw kami ng rooftop. So, nagpunta kami ng rooftop. I thought doon kami kakain. Pero lang gusto lang pala nila is maglaro. So, yun. Umupo ako dyan for like 30 minutes siguro. Tapos, nagtanggal ako ng shoes kasi old age talaga. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Ano bang nangyayari? So, may dog playground pala doon. Naglaro na lang sila doon. Tapos, around 7, bumaba na kami to 8 sa KFC. Then, tumawid kami ng market para sumakay na. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!